आज हामी इंग्लिश स्पिकिङ प्र्याक्टिसको लागि आवश्यक पर्ने एकदमै महत्त्वपूर्ण क्वेशन र आन्सरहरूको सेन्टेन्स सिक्नेछौँ। ल सुरु गरौँ। Where are you going? Where are you going? हजुर कहाँ जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ? Where are you going? I'm going to the market. I am going to the market. म बजार जाँदैछु। I'm going to the market. How old are you? हजुर कति वर्षको हुनुभयो? How old are you? How old are you? हजुर कति वर्षको हुनुभयो? I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old. म 25 वर्षको भए। I am 25 years old. When did you come? हजुर कहिले आउनुभयो? When did you come? हजुर कहिले आउनुभयो? I came yesterday. I came yesterday. म हिजो आएँ. म हिजो आएँ. I came yesterday. Where do you live here? Where do you live here? हजुर यहाँ कहाँ बस्नुहुन्छ? Where do you live here? I live in Ekantaguna. I live in Ekantaguna. I live in Ekantaguna. म एकान्तकुनामा बस्छु. Where are you from? हजुर कहाँबाट हो? Where are you from? हजुर कहाँबाट हो? I'm from Kathmandu. म काठमाडौँबाट हो. I'm from Kathmandu. म काठमाडौँबाट हो. What do you do? हजुर के गर्नुहुन्छ? What do you do? हजुर के गर्नुहुन्छ? I am a teacher. म शिक्षक हुँ. म एक शिक्षक हुँ. I'm a teacher. म एक शिक्षक हुँ. Do you need any help? हजुरलाई कुनै सहयोग चाहियो? Do you need any help? हजुरलाई कुनै सहयोग चाहियो? No, thank you. पर्दैन, धन्यवाद. No, thank you. No, thank you. पर्दैन, धन्यवाद. How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? अहिले हजुरलाई कस्तो महसुस हुँदैछ? How are you feeling now? हजुरलाई अहिले कस्तो महसुस हुँदैछ? I'm feeling better. I am feeling better. म राम्रो महसुस गर्दैछु. I'm feeling better. म राम्रो महसुस गर्दैछु. What would you like to have? What would you like to have? हजुर के लिन चाहनुहुन्छ? What would you like to have? हजुर के लिन चाहनुहुन्छ? I would like to drink coffee. I would like to drink coffee. म कफी लिन चाहन्छु. I would like to drink coffee. Are you married? Are you married? के हजुर बिहे गर्नु भएको छ? Are you married? No, I'm not married. होइन, मैले बिहे गरेको छैन. No, I'm not married. मैले बिहे गरेको छैन. होइन, मैले बिहे गरेको छैन. When will you come? When will you come? हजुर कहिले आउनुहुनेछ? When will you come? हजुर कहिले आउनुहुनेछ? I will come soon. म छिट्टै आउनेछु. I will come soon. म छिट्टै आउनेछु. I will come soon. Okay, nice to meet you. Have a good day. ठिक छ, हजुरलाई भेटेर खुसी लाग्यो. शुभ दिन. Same to you. हजुरलाई पनि. Bye bye. Bye.